Should I buy or sell QQQ? The report for QQQ was first published on our website Friday, March 17, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 17, 2023, our system ranks QQQ as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.325. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, QQQ ETF downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Friday trading session. The QQQ ETF price fell by -0.473% on the last day, Friday, March 17, 2023, from $306.81 to $305.36. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.91% from a day low at $303.37 to a day high of $309.15. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.9% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -12 million shares and in total, 87 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $26.42 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $371.83, and the lowest price was $254.26. Right now the price is 17.88%, or $66.47, below 52-week high and 25.29%, or $103.35, below all-time high November 22, 2021 where the price hit $408.71. The ETF lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 13.35% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 8.32% and 22.95%. The 12-month trend indicates a -13.58% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -33.39% and -13.77%. This equals a price between $203.40 and $263.32 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the ETF has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $297.20 and $299.07. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has fallen -2.04%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 31 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $298.93, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.78 between high and low, or 1.91%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.42%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.93. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $306.18. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $298.93, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is QQQ ETF a buy? QQQ holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 20th, we expect QQQ to open up $0.600 and start trading at $305.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember